Hi everyone! Today's video is all about making baked pesto salmon. Let's start by making homemade basil pesto. In a food processor, let's combine basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic cloves, and olive oil. Let's season it with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let's put the lid on and begin to pulse until smooth. And remember that we can stop at any time to push the ingredients that are stuck on the side to the bottom. Let's go ahead and pulse again until we achieve the consistency that we like. After doing so, we will transfer the pesto into a clean bowl. And make sure to scrape the side clean. Let's carefully pour the basil pesto into the clean bowl. Amazing color, isn't it? Let's make it pretty by topping some basil leaves and chopped pine nuts. We will set this aside for later. Meanwhile, let's season our salmon with some kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then, set aside. In a heated skillet, let's heat some olive oil over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, let's carefully put in the salmon fillets. If you have one by any chance, let's cover the skillet with a splatter screen to keep the grease from splashing. We will pan-sear the salmon for 3 to 5 minutes or until the sides start to change color. Using the basil pesto that we made earlier, let's generously coat the top until all fillets are well coated. Let's finish this in the preheated oven. We will bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's not forget the slices of lemon on top. After 20 minutes, let's remove the skillet from the oven and place it on the counter to cool down. Let's squeeze some lemon juice and top it with some spring onions. And there you have it, everyone, my baked pesto salmon. Serve warm and enjoy!
Look at this!